Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn pivot table in Google Sheets from a very basic level. If you are someone who looks at large data and feels confused, then this video is for you. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what a pivot table is, why we use it, and how to create pivot tables step by step using real examples. Before creating a pivot table, we must understand our data. In our sheet, each row represents one sale transaction. Each column gives specific information about that sale. Let's understand each column. Date shows when the sale happened. Product shows what item was sold. Category tells us the type of product like electronics or accessories. Salesperson show who made the sale. Sales amount shows how much money was earned from the sale. When data is small, we can read it manually, but when data becomes large, we use pivot tables to summarize it. Now let's create our first pivot table. Click on any cell inside the data. No need to select the complete dataset. Now go to the top menu. Click on Insert, and from the drop down, click Pivot Table. Now you can see this small box appear. Make sure New Sheet is selected and click on Create. Google Sheets now opens a new sheet. On the right side, you will see the Pivot Table Editor. The Pivot Table Editor has 4 main sections. Understanding these is the key of mastering pivot tables. First one is rows. Rows decide how data is grouped, for example, by product, by category, or by salesperson. Columns are used for side-by-side comparison. This is optional and mostly used in advanced analysis. Values are used for calculations, such as total, count, sum, or average. Filters help us show only specific data, for example, sales of only one salesperson. Let's create the pivot table. In this pivot table, we want to sales by category. In the rows section, click Add. Now select category. Now data is grouped by category. In the values section, click Add. Select sales amount and make sure it shows sum. Google Sheets now adds all sales amount for each category. You can clearly see total sales for electronics and accessories. Let's do another example. Here we can see which product is generating the most sales. Now remove category from rows and click on Add. Select product. Values will remain the same. Now Google Sheets grouped all sales by product name. You can easily compare laptop sales, mobile sales, and keyboard sales. This helps business identify top selling product. Let's move to another example. In this example, we can see which salesperson is performing best. So, remove product from rows, add salesperson to rows. All sales made by each person are added together. You can now compare performance of Ali, Sarah and Ahmed. Let's move to the another example in which we can see how much sales happened each month. Remove salesperson from rows. Add date. Now click on mouse right button. And here you can see the option create pivot date group. Select month. Google Sheets automatically group daily dates into month. By default, Google Sheets uses sum. You can change it. Click sum of sales amount. Change summarize by to count, average, max, min. This allows different type of analysis. So this is how you can create pivot table in Google Sheets. Pivot tables are one of the most powerful features in Google Sheets. Once you understand rows, values, and grouping, everything becomes easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.